Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a lot of phrases, French phrases with English interpretation for you to learn as a beginner. Let's get started. We are starting with 10 simple French phrases. 10 simple French phrases. Number 1 is suivez-moi. You can see the pronunciation guide there. Suivez-moi. That means follow me. The next one, pardon. Pardon. Excuse me, or it can be sorry. Pardon. Apporte-moi. Apporte-moi. Give me, bring me. Attendez, attendez, wait. Écoutez, écoutez. Listen. It's better you repeat after me. As I'm saying it, be learning with me, okay? That is how to learn. Okay, let's go. Regardez, regardez. That's look. Entrez, entrez. Come in or enter. Asseyez-vous, asseyez-vous. Sit down. Levez-vous, levez-vous. Stand up. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Now let's go to the next slide. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. It's free of charge so that you can see my next video. Let's continue. French subject pronouns with common verbs. Now let's start with the French subject pronouns. Let's start with the pronunciation. Let's say it together. Je meaning I. Tu meaning you, the informal you. Let's say the singular you. There is singular you in French. Il, I, elle, she, nous, we, vous, you. That's the plural you in French. Il, elle, they. The il is the masculine they, while the elle is the feminine they, even though there's nothing like that in English, but it is very correct in French. Now let's combine both the subject pronoun and the verb together. Je parle. Repeat. Je parle. That means I speak. Tu manges. Repeat. Tu manges. You eat. Il joue. Repeat. Il joue. He plays. Elle chante. Repeat. Elle chante. She sings. Nous parlons. Repeat. Nous parlons. We speak. Vous écoutez. Vous écoutez. You listen. Il regarde. Can you see the ENT is silent? That's number 7. The ENT is silent. Il regarde. Repeat. Il regarde. They watch. Elle étudie. Repeat. Elle étudie. The ENT is silent, meaning they study. Elle étudie. Now let's go to the next slide. Have you subscribed to this channel? Subscribe to this channel so that you can see my next video and you can learn French with me. French subject nouns. These are common nouns every beginner needs to know. Let's start with la maison. Say that. La maison means the house. Le ventilateur. Le ventilateur. The fan. I hope you are repeating after me. Le couteau. Le couteau. The knife. La cartable. La cartable. The school bag. Le portable. Le portable. The mobile phone. That's the phone. Le tableau. Le tableau. The board. Le rideau. Le rideau. The curtain. Le miroir. Le miroir. The mirror. L'armoire. L'armoire. The wardrobe. L'église. L'église. The church. L'école. L'école. The school. So we are done for today. If you have any words that is giving you problem in pronouncing, you can write in the comments and let's see. Let's interact. Let's talk. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bisous bisous.